Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to delete our TalkBack's shortcut from the screen in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. We have two ways to do it. First, if we have only TalkBack under this button, we can throw it out like any other application or widget on the screen. But if we have more functions under this button and we want to turn off only TalkBack, we need to go to settings, from the beginning. So settings first, then accessibility options menu, and here is TalkBack, shortcut on and shortcut off. On, as you can see, we have our button here, and off, and the button is gone. Or the function that is under this button with other accessibility options. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.